Hello guys, today we are gonna review this project related with the curves. We're gonna see what kind of nodes we use and how we connected them. We will check the geometry node setup and the simple material setup to get this cool shape, and it looks good with both render engine cycles and Eevee. It's nice. You can manipulate however you like by playing with the parameters. It's very nice. You can get various shapes, different shapes by playing the parameters of the geometry nodes. You can animate it. Also, you can use this object with sci-fi scenes or fantastic scenes or wherever you wanna use. Doesn't matter. Let's check the geometry node setup. As you see, this is the general view of the node setup. We use instance on points and Voronoi texture, which I like and I use generally, the icosphere as instance for the points. Let me zoom in and so you can see in details how the nodes are connected and the parameters. Actually, you can scale it down with the first curve circle node. It's all up to you because it's a little bit large. Yeah, as you see, just instances on points node. You can ignore that join geometry node. Actually, no need to see the plane. Only we need the points for this cool shape. Let's switch to shader editor. It's very simple setup. I used color ramp node. I added 3 more sliders for various colors. I connected color socket of the color ramp to base color and emission socket to make sure the match. As you see, it's very simple. It's nice. You can change the colors of areas. You can distribute the colors however you want by sliding the needles on the color ramp. However you want, you can get the color distribution. Yeah, as you see, this looks very nice. So don't force yourself, at least at the beginning, to create more complicated and complex shapes. Otherwise, you can get bored. It needs a lot of practice. So you can configure, after getting a certain level, when you reach, you can configure the setup about what kind of nodes you need to use and how you get them connected to each other. But needs lots of practice to have your brain get used to it, get used to software and the workflow. So thanks for watching. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for the support in advance. Take care guys. See you later.